Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Lino Benza, and I'm so excited because I wrote this book and published already. The title is Get Wisdom, Not Money. Never Give Up. Well, took me 10 years in order to figure out why majority of people are struggling, broken, all the time complaining life, and a few people, 1% of people around the world. Because in these times, the world is, there are more than 8 billion people worldwide. So many are struggling in order to pay bills, and I also struggle also how to figure out the key to succeed in life. And I found out the key is not money, get money, but the key is to find out how to change your mindset. If you change your mindset and try to work hard in a smart way and learn with those who succeed in life, because learning is the process, and success is not from night to day, but it is require a process, a time. I said I took 10 years of deep research in order to figure out why majority of people are struggling and a few people are billionaire, millionaire listed in Forbes magazine. The key is the mindset. They create a mindset, a philosophy in order to achieve their goals. And if you find a way how to solve people's problem, of course, people will pay, will reward you because of the service you provide to them. And I found out is the key of success is the mindset. Create idea. What type of idea you provide to other people? And it is necessary to understand well. If you see most of wealth people, they provide a certain product to the customer. Well, go to Amazon and find this book. Will blow your mind because I discover the key to succeed in life. Thank you very much. Thank you.